How's it going, everybody? This is Top of Driver. I hope you're having another great day, and welcome back to another video. Alright folks, it's time for another food challenge, and this one goes to another restaurant that is well known across America, and that is Subway. However, it's not for their subs, it's for their footlong sidekicks. I got their footlong dippers, their pretzel footlong, their churro footlong, and also both of their cookie footlongs, and I'm going to see how fast I can bring down every single one of these sidekicks down. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Subway Footlong Sidekicks Challenge. Now, as we all know, Subway is well known for their subs, especially their footlong subs. You know, their meat long subs, their chicken teriyaki subs, heck, even their Philly cheesesteak subs. You name it, they have all that and then some. But recently, they have also released some really interesting sidekicks to go along with that as well. I have almost every single one of them right here, and as I mentioned before, it's going to be very interesting to see not only how they taste, but also how quickly I can bring them down. Now again, I have almost every single one of them here. I have two of their free dippers. I have their double cheese dipper and then their chicken and cheese dipper. They also have the pepperoni and cheese dipper. However, they had the pork pepperoni, and when I asked them if they had turkey or beef pepperoni, they said they didn't have that. So unfortunately, I have to exclude that from this challenge. Hopefully when they do have the turkey pepperoni next time, I will try their pepperoni and cheese dipper. But I also have their pretzel footlong, their churro footlong, and then also both of their sidekicks in regards to the cookie game, the double chocolate chip and then the double chocolate peppermint. It's going to be very interesting to see how well they taste. Obviously, they're well known for their subs, but I heard that their footlong sidekicks and their dippers really have made a big impact lately. So we're going to give all of them a shot here. I have all of them right here along with a plate and a few napkins with me, and just in case for the cookies, I also have a fork as well. I might need it just in case, because from what I heard, it's very hard to really get these out of their cases cleanly. So obviously I have the fork ready with me just in case. And since I anticipate that this is going to be a quick challenge, instead of the computer, I am going to have the stopwatch on my phone activated here, so that way I can see how fast I can bring every single one of these footlong sidekicks down. And with that, we're not going to waste any further time, because as far as I know, Subway is well known for their subs, but I really want to see if their footlong sidekicks are just as good. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we know the drill here, folks. I'm going to start out with their footlong dippers here, and I'm going to work my way up with the pretzel and the churro footlongs, and ultimately I'll get into the footlongs in regards to the cookies. So we'll start out small and then go all the way up to the top from there. But either way, this is the Subway Footlong Sidekicks Challenge. Can we get the whole thing done? We're going to find out. We ball in 3, 2, 1. And like I said, we will start out with the churro. I apologize, I meant to say the chicken and cheese dipper. Chicken and cheese is down. Let's move on to the double cheese. Maybe I should have had something to drink with me, because with the flatbread on it, the dippers were a little hard to bring down. Hopefully the pretzel tastes a little better though. Yeah, I had to get the ginger ale out for this one, because I did not expect the pretzel to taste this rock hard, man. My God, this is brutal. I really thought it would be a lot easier to come down. However, the only reason why it's going down that easy is because of the ginger ale, man. I really think this pretzel should have been a lot softer than it is. Alright, so far 0 for 3. I am not liking the sidekicks that Subway has gotten so far, but hopefully the second half will be a lot better. Here's the churro. There we go. The first sour thing I tasted so far. Finally, something appetizing to eat with the churro. Hopefully the last one will finish things off a little better. Here's the Footlong cookie. Finally, something good for my appetite. Might be difficult to chew, however, as long as it tastes good and it's pretty soft, hey, that's good enough for me. Alright, hopefully we'll finish off on a solid note. Here is the double chocolate peppermint cookie. Let's finish this thing off. It's a little sticky, but we're getting there. Almost there. All right, here we go. Last bites. That is it. Alright folks, that was the Subway Footlong Sidekicks challenge. I'm going to be honest with you, that was a little more difficult than it really should have been. In fact, a lot of these things were a lot harder to bring down than I thought it was, but either way, we still managed to complete the challenge, and we did it in 23 minutes and 35 seconds. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed with these sidekicks, unfortunately. I mean, look, they're going to be known for their subs, and that's pretty much it. However, as an organization, they've really gone downhill quite a bit as of recently, and obviously, this is part of the reason why. Even though this is a good experiment, unfortunately, all of them were just really hard to bring down. The only one that was very easy to bring down without the use of the drink was the churro, and obviously, you know, that's not saying much. I mean, the dippers, they were decent. Unfortunately, the flatbread was just too dry, and the pretzel, man, that should have been a lot softer than it should have been. I mean, unfortunately, that was way too hard for me to be able to chew it down without the use of the ginger ale, and obviously, you know, the cookies, while they are really good, unfortunately, they too were pretty difficult to bring down as well. So yeah, I gave them a shot. I was able to complete the challenge, but unfortunately, I'm probably not going to be getting any of these sidekicks again. Maybe other than the churro, because that one tasted pretty good. But overall, we got the challenge done. However, in regards to my overall grade for all of these sidekicks, I'm going to give this one a failing grade. Unfortunately, the majority of them, they did not taste good at all, and unfortunately, they were very hard to bring down. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, if you'd like to see more of my content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when my latest video is released. Comment below for future suggestions for all my videos, whether it's blogs, projects, or challenges, you name it. Leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make them. As always, follow me on social media. All the links are in the description below. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you're having another great day, and as always, I hope to see you all again in another video very soon. So long, everybody.